Ano ba? Ganito na lang ba tayo magkikita pag nagcha-champion ka na lang? Di ba? The last time you won a championship, magkasama kayo sila Pangs. At remember, we were on the show. Muntik kayo umiyak. Pwede umiyak tonight. It's okay. No, but magsimula tayo, Gemma. Tahakin natin yung buong conference. Actually, gusto namin ni Neil simulan bago magsimula yung conference. Kasi nag-uusap tayo, Lai, di ba? Dito nga yata yun na naririnig nyo na yung mga nangyayari dun sa mga ibang teams na, diba, nag-power up talaga, acquisitions here, new coach there. So, with hearing that, ano na ngayon yung mga nagiging conversation sa inyo or yung mga internal conversations na, oy, itong conference na to, matindi to?
Sa amin, actually, yung mga, like, F2 players, and specifically kasi sobrang lakas talaga nila as a team and sobrang na-amaze kami sa mga team na napasukan nila kasi deserve nila yung pinasukan nila kasi alam namin na may ilalakas sila and yung mga pinasukan nila malakas din. So madami talaga silang mako-contribute sa team. So more on ganun yung mga pinag-uusapan namin.
So in other words, sinasabi mo na natuwa kayo na parang
lumaki, kumbaga tumaas,
yung competition,
yes.
parang gano'n.
Yes
Okay,
po. So
nice.
kami, syempre kami din po na as a competitive.
Yes, yes.
So,
We know.
na-challenge talaga kami na mas mag-improve talaga. And yun nga, sabi namin talaga, ito talaga yung season din na masusukat namin yung isa't isa. So mukhang nakita nyo naman ho kung ganong yung yung sinukat kami ng ng tadhana. Sakto lang.
Sakto lang.
Gemma, for the past few conferences, nagdadagdag yung creamline ng mga bagong pangalan, pero hindi madami. And it's not all the time na nagre-recruit yung Cool Smashers. Sabi nga on social media, family is love. Yes. So how did you take that as a challenge? Because we know that there's always a different kind of pressure entering a new conference. How different was the pressure in this specific start of the season?
This conference, gano'n ka-pressure? Kami na pag nagsisimula naman kami kasi ng season, hindi namin masyadong iniisip yung kalaban namin, kung anong itatakbo ng season namin. Ang lagi lang namin ginagawa is kami. Parang importante at focus kami kung ano yung kami. Kasi mananalo naman din at mananalo kami kung laro namin yung ilalabas namin.
Lai, nag-uusap tayo noon. Naalala ko, pinag-usapan natin. Ikaw pa nga, nagbiro ka pa nga sa akin na, boom, so ano na gagawin namin? Ganito na yung nangyayari sa mga ibang team. Di ba? Nagbibiroan tayo ng ganun. Ano na nga ginawa nyo? So, what was the approach then? Knowing na, you know, Brooke is in town, you know, all the other players came in for the different teams, including, di ba, yung Cherry Tigo, obviously, Farm Fresh and all of that. So, sa'yo, knowing how competitive you are and some young talent, of course, joining the PVL, what was your mindset coming into the conference?
I have to be honest siguro na
Please,
as much
yes.
as it's very exciting conference, it was really one of the conferences also na siguro merong kaba din sa amin. Kasi for the longest time, you've mentioned, Neil, na kami yung isa sa mga teams na we actually we're having a hard time to recruit as well. And I think when we recruit, we prioritize also not only skills but also kung magko-complement yung mga players sa buong group namin.
Yung group dynamic,
yes,
parang ganun.
And sa sistema din ni Coach Sherwin.
Of course.
So, for sure, hindi naman, I think yung kaba and takot na everyone's beefing up, at talagang nag-a-add sila ng mga ibang mga strength nila sa team, masasabi ko na yung takot na yun yung naging fuel namin para mawala yung doubts namin coming in this conference.
Lai, your team is in a position of power when you talk about championships in the PVL. Nagiging curious lang kami. Were there any doubts sa Creamline? Kasi you mentioned na kinakabahan kayo, but nafe-feel nyo pa ba yun? Or you're always confident despite the nervousness?
Well, actually, I think as you've seen all throughout the season, we're very vulnerable talaga. I think it's coming from, we've been here eh. So, ano pa yung challenge, ano pa yung kailangan namang ibigay, ano pa yung kailangan naming i-improve Nandun kami sa point na andun. So, sometimes we question ourselves, nag-i-improve pa ba tayo as a team, as an individual? Sometimes we ask ourselves na, bakit hindi namin ma-perfect yung ginagawa namin kahit we're always here? So, siguro yung mentality namin, yung standards namin, sobrang tumataas. And sometimes, if we don't meet that expectations, we crumble also and we question and doubts are coming in. So our coaches would always remind us to just enjoy and play. You know what to do. And I think it was really a good balance. Doon kami nag-struggle buong season siguro. We want to be perfect again from the last season.
Right.
It was really from a perfect season coming in.
Yeah.
So, if meron kaming mga lapses, parang nagsistop kami in the middle na parang, wow, bakit tayo ganong mistake na dapat hindi nangyayari. And I think yun yung nagiging struggle namin if, alam mo yan, yung lagi namin hinahanap yung and gusto namin i-meet yung mataas na standard yun for ourselves and for the team. So that was not the doubt siguro, but definitely questioning
Your
ourselves.
questions,
Yeah.
yeah.
If we're consistently doing and improving pa as a
Okay.
team.
Well, you needed to be pushed.
Yeah.
You have 7 championships, di ba? Ganun talaga eh. Mafi, I'm happy you're here ngayon. Happy kami. Kasi, sabihin ko lang nung magkasama kami nila Gemma, alam mo na si Gemma pupunta lang pag nagsa-champion. Nung last time nagpunta siya, sinabi niya na, muntik ka na mag-quit ng volleyball. Di ba sinabi mo sa amin yun? So, di ba? So, why did you want to quit? Gusto ko ang tanong talaga yun. And what brought you back?
Bakit? Kasi ano po, nung nawala kasi yung tiwala ko sa sarili ko nung college.
Ganon? Ganon? Bakit? Saan nanggaling? Sorry, I didn't mean to, but kasi tinan mo nga, tumatak nga sa akin yung sinabi mo, Gemma. Tumatak sa akin yung sinabi mo kasi, di ba, na parang na-convince nyo lang na sinabi niya. It's okay. I'm sorry if I brought up, a very emotional topic. But I think at the end of it, what I'm trying to say is we're happy that you came back. Because napakagaling nung pinapakita mo. At, yes, that's the point actually. So, ikaw, meron pa bang pagsisisi after 2 championships, Mafe? Huwag mo raw siyang tignan.
Ano po ulit?
Meron pa bang pagsisisi na bumalik ka? At ito ba, magtutuloy-tuloy ka na maglalaro ka na talaga?
Siyempre wala pong pagsisisi kasi
Okay.
yung outcome po, yung mga nangyayari po ngayon. And sobrang thankful din ako sa mga ate ko. Na
Okay, sige. Well, yun nga yung point natin, that we're very happy. That's why I remembered it from the interview nila. Kasi sabi ko, sayang yung talent di ba? And to see her win a couple of championships now, di ba? Which I guess brings us to Kyle. 2 straight championships as the main setter and the best setter.
Kyle, correct me if I'm wrong, it's your first best setter in the PBL.
Yes.
It is.
You've been with the
Ever.
team for the
Ever.
You've been with the team for the longest of time. How does it feel to be finally able to win that best setter club? It must feel so good.
Yes, it does. Masarap rin talaga sa feeling, pero katulad nga din ng sinasabi ko, yung award,
To something like that.
Actually, sinabi niya rin sa akin yan
Oo
personally.
nga daw, oo.
Sabi ko sa kanya, eme ka te.
Ayaw mo lang talaga. pero what would you feel? Nung nalaman mo yun, nung narinig mo yun, what do you remember saying to her? And what do you feel about that statement na parang gusto ka niya makalaban?
Siguro, kumbaga na-boost din yung confidence ko sa sarili ko na, wow, someone like Ate Gia is speaking nice things about me, na ganito yung sinasabi niya sa akin ngayon. So, parang ako, bigyan ko rin ng konting credit yung sarili ko na,
Of course, yes. Sige, sabihin mo sa mic. Don't be shy. Please, go ahead, Kyle. Kyle, please go and say it to the mic.
Hindi, yun nga. But yeah, really.